The mission of the system is to provide pediatric orthopedic care as well as burn care, cleft lip and palate care, that sort of thing, regardless of ability to pay. We do not make money on our patients. We lose money on every single patient we take care of. And we're proud of that. And the goal is to provide the highest quality care, the best care that that child could possibly get in a family-centered environment where we cover everything for the family, orthotics and prosthetics, physical therapy, rehab, everything that we can possibly do for that child. It's all about the child.
I think it goes back to the founders and their desire to treat all kids. And if you go back 100 years in Portland, what was going on? It was a polio epidemic. And I think that they committed to taking care of these kids without regard for the ability to pay, and they grew their philanthropy, and they continued to add resources so that they had world-class care.
The fraternity started just as a group of Masons that wanted to have some fun, and they did that for 50 years. And then they came to Portland, Oregon, and in that meeting in 1920, they decided, let's do something for humanity that's worthwhile.
The Shriners decided that they wanted to build a hospital system. And the reason they did that was there was essentially no health insurance in the United States, and polio and tuberculosis were rampant. And they decided that they would provide care for any child free of charge for children with orthopedic problems. And that was the genesis of the system. So it was really about just taking care of people. And I don't think that we have lost that.
The role of the fraternity is just that. I think we had it. It's to support the hospital by either donations or volunteer work.
The Daughters of the Nile organization is the ladies' component to the men's Shriners organization. Very proud of what we do. We give $2 million a year to the hospital system through our foundation, another $1 million a year in in-kind items, and countless volunteer hours.
We see on a daily basis working as ambassadors when the kids come in with their parents, you know, and we hear the stories of how we've helped the kids, and it just brings a tear to you.
Think about what it would be like to have a child that has a complex condition and you were faced with having to navigate the healthcare system on your own. When they come here, they're going to be met with somebody that assures them it's going to be okay, and they do that because they know it will be.
It was the best experience that we could have ever imagined during a really stressful and hard time. Like, I'm on the verge of tears just thinking about it. It was, yeah, it was really great.
I just feel great every time I come here.
PT has helped me so much. I could barely walk. I couldn't walk for 6 weeks without my crutches. With PT, I can now do one-legged squats and everything I need to be doing to get back to doing my sports.
Because of Shriners Children Portland, I've got wheels.
You can make best friends with your doctors and therapists.
Shriners Children's is a happy place. It's a place that answers come to questions.
It's a place where we can come and we know that we're going to get the best care, truly the best care, and there's no strings attached.
It's a pretty exciting time, but I think that the early people in this organization, whether it was 100 years ago, 50 years ago, or the last 30, really had a vision beyond today.
We do some amazing surgeries here. We have fantastic clinicians, fantastic nurses, physical therapists, respiratory therapists. Everybody, the nursing is unbelievable here.
The miracles, the things that we can do, it's a miracle to me. And I can't thank the staff here, the executive staff, the nurses, the doctors, the employees, the volunteers, everybody that has put their heart and soul into making this something that is worthwhile for children, regardless of the family's ability to pay.
When people ask me where I work, they say, wow, you take care of kids. You do a great job over there. And I would venture to guess that there's not a single employee that if someone asked them where they worked and they had heard of Shriners, they wouldn't get that same reaction. I get that reaction over and over and over.
It makes me feel extremely happy that we were able to continue this for 100 years. I hope that it'll last at least another 100 years.
We take care of our children, and we will continue to do that for the next 100 years. And I don't think I'll be around to see that, but I think it'll be a wonderful thing.
I'm so excited that we are here during this time, that we get to be a part of the celebration.
Happy birthday, Shriners Children's.
Happy 100th birthday.
Happy anniversary, Shriners Children's Portland.
Happy anniversary, Shriners Children Portland.
Thank you for caring for kids for the past 100 years.
Happy anniversary, Shriners Children's Portland.
Releases to the Shriners.
Happy anniversary.
Happy 100th birthday, Shriners Children's Portland.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you for helping me live my best life.
Thank you for everything you do.
You are the reason I could dream big.